What's going on, guys? My name is Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to install a toner cartridge in this Brother MFC series printer. So this is a Brother MFC-L2700DW monochrome laser printer, which is compatible with either standard yield or high yield toner cartridges, TN-630 or TN-660 respectively. Today I'm going to be installing a TN-660 high yield cartridge. So the first thing you want to do is turn off the printer if it's on, because some surfaces inside the printer may be hot. Then just find the handles on either side and, with both hands, pull forward until the front panel tilts out. Now you will notice the drum assembly, which has an arrow facing out. Simply grip the handle and pull it all the way out of the printer. Now that the drum assembly containing the toner cartridge has been removed, you can find the small green release latch on the left side of the assembly and, while holding down the release latch, lift the toner cartridge easily right up out of the drum assembly. Before you insert the new cartridge, now is a good time to clean the corona wire in the drum unit, which is very easy. Just find the green cleaning tab with an arrow on it and slide it left and right several times, making sure to return it to the original position, as otherwise may create printing errors. Now we can prepare the new toner cartridge. Once you've opened the cardboard box, you'll find a leaflet with instructions on how to recycle your old cartridge, a shipping label for the recycling program, an instruction sheet, and a sealed bag with styrofoam packing which contains the new cartridge. Simply rip open the bag using the pre-made cut right here, and carefully remove the new cartridge, which you'll notice has a cover over the toner rod. Being careful not to touch the exposed cylinder, you can swap the cover over to the old cartridge and insert the new cartridge into the drum unit, which should simply snap into place. Now just slide the drum unit all the way back into the printer, close the front cover, and you're done. Make sure to save the old cartridge if you want to participate in the Brother product recycling program. Just refer back to the sheet from earlier for instructions. Well guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment below, subscribe for more videos, and I will see y'all in the next one.